Surah, number 86, of Quran Majeed. The Nightly Visitor.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Was-samaa'i wat-tariq.
By the heaven, and by the nightly visitor.
وَمَا أَدْرَاكَ مَا الطَّارِقُ.
And what will show you what is the nightly visitor?
النَّجْمُ الثَّاقِبُ.
It is the brilliant star.
إِن كُلُّ نَفْسٍ لَمَّا عَلَيْهَا حَافِظٌ.
There is a guard over every soul.
فَلْيَنظُرِ الْإِنسَانُ مِمَّ خُلِقَ.
So let man consider from what he was created.
خُلِقَ مِن مَّاءٍ دَافِقٍ.
He was created from an effusing fluid.
يَخْرُجُ مِن بَيْنِ الصُّلْبِ وَالتَّرَائِبِ.
Which issues from between the loins and the breastbones.
إِنَّهُ عَلَى رَجْعِهِ لَقَادِرٌ.
Indeed, he is able to bring him back after death.
يَوْمَ تُبْلَى السَّرَائِرُ.
On the day when the secrets are examined.
فَمَا لَهُ مِن قُوَّةٍ وَلَا نَاصِرٍ.
And he shall have neither power nor helper.
وَالسَّمَاءِ ذَاتِ الرَّجْعِ.
By the resurgent heaven.
وَالْأَرْضِ ذَاتِ الصَّدْعِ.
And by the furrowed earth.
إِنَّهُ لَقَوْلٌ فَصْلٌ.
It is indeed a conclusive discourse.
وَمَا هُوَ بِالْهَزْلِ.
And not a jest.
إِنَّهُمْ يَكِيدُونَ كَيْدًا.
Indeed, they are devising a stratagem.
وَأَكِيدُ كَيْدًا.
And I, too, am devising a plan.
فَمَهِّلِ الْكَافِرِينَ أَمْهِلْهُمْ رُوَيْدًا.
So respite the faithless, give them a gentle respite.